revolution uKhumalo uyadayisa. Kukhona into engifisa sibe aware ngayo, ile yesandla esinoboya within iMK Party. Ngicabanga ukuthi ama-development wonke umuntu wabonile. I-infiltration kumkhonto wesizwe siyisimpula neimpande. Siwisihlahla ezinkulu ezikhonyandwa ka-ANC ezikulomkhonto wesizwe. Ngifuna ukuba ne-warning ke kulaba ababeseva leya interest unaware ukuthi babetreya abantu base South Africa. Bafowethu zigade into yenzayo ngoba uzoyithola ubetray revolution unaware. Sisho kudala from ngoFebruary sama command ukuthi nangu uKhumalo edayisa ngerevolution. Saba babi kwabanye sesaze sakanjwa namagama sabizwa ngamagama wrong because the intelligence work ebesiyenza ibisho ukuthi kunesandla esinoboya kulabantu. I'm happy ke today ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uthe all units of intelligence aqhamuka nento eyodwa sase simxosha uKhumalo nethimba lakhe. Nane nisasela phansi enihamba noKhumalo, your days are numbered. You must be clear. You can't umendleleni yabantu sebefuna inkululeko yabo. Wena othatha umkhonto wesizwe ngokweyikhundla uzoba nenkinga. Into yabantu le akuyona into eyikhundla, akuyona into ama-credential ukuthi wena ngo-1962 wenzani. La sizoseva abantu ngaphandle kweyikhundla, ngaphandle kokuma nayiphi faction. Sine faction eyodwa ekuthiwa umkhonto wesizwe esifuna uthutedi ngayo. Those abayi-aligna nalama faction, they are betraying the revolution of the people. And this yanikhuza akekho omkhulu lo, into yabantu le. When isishiya lelizwe sasithunywa abantu bethi asihambe siyojoyina umbutho wabo sibuye sobavikela. And we did exactly that. And now we are back sibuyisela umkhonto kubanikazi bawo ekuyinina. Inina abanikazi balomkhonto wesizwe. Lingathuswa ke abantu abantshela ngama-credential engawona wakulomkhonto wesizwe phansi. And understandani into eyi-one, la kumkhonto wesizwe phansi ama-credential akho sizowabona ngokuthi useve this organization yabantu ngokweqiniso. Siqolele ngomlando wakho wala uphuma khona. Siqolele ngomlando wakho wala uphuma khona. Two, makomrade omkhonto wesizwe, let's make sure we secure ama-elections. Because la masela la phakathi kwethu, la masela athengwa ngama-brown envelope abehamba ne-interest ya certain people abangasave interest yenu. Bavimbeni, bagadeni ngoba sebe already baye-align bathi ba ama-party agent, abanye bathi siyobala ebusuku. Ningayivumi nonsense. Into yenu le. It's a last chance of a black person uyokuzikhulula. Understandani ke maqabane ukuthi sile duty yokusecure ama-election. And i-duty yethu isekutheni asigade ogqoka iskipa esiyelo, siphinde sigade lo ngime naye ogqoka iskipa esigreen ukuthi akawuthathile yini u-brown envelope. Sibazwile bethi asingawasayini ama-signature ukuqualifyisa umkhonto wesizwe ukuze ungene kwi-campaign. We rise as umkhonto wesizwe sathi lutho. Comrade Mpungos, mawusudayisa ngerevolution awuzuyenza lento eshiwo uKhumalo. Khona ngisho abayibiza ngamasosha ebebekhipha ama-voice notes ethi abantu abangawenzi lama-signatures. Lama-signature bezosenza siqualifye for ukuthi sikwazi ukungena evotini. But ngiyambonga uComrade Mpungos, ngizom-introduce nje uconvener we-province yakwaZulu, ucoordinator we-province yakwaZulu Natal ngenhlanhla sinaye la. Okuyena osukumile. Wayithatha i-order eqhamuka kuma-command ukuthi will never betray revolution. uKhumalo uyadayisa. Sawenza ubusuku ne-night and lama-signature. Saqualifya KwaZulu Natal, saqualifya national. saqualify eMpumalanga, saqualify eFree State, saqualify eWestern Cape, kulodi kwaZulu Natal. Today sebeclaim ivictory ababehamba noKhumalo bathi hayi bona babetha ama signature wenziwe, whereas they were sending ama voice notes ukuthi nina ama comrade ningawenzi. Bakadeni akusho ukuthi kuba isocial omkhonto wesizwe you are trusted. Ama askara phuma kuthina I betray this revolution. Amandla